Good morning, it's 7 a.m. My friend Kawla and I, are going to attempt social distancing on a trail. We're hiking East End of Rundle. The restrictions for COVID-19 are slowly lifting here in Alberta, so it's a little bit less stressful to meet with people, and hopefully we'll have a really nice day. Last year I hiked this one, Kawla Peak, which was pretty challenging for a moderate hiker like myself, and this one is going to be challenging as well because we haven't hiked since like December time and it's end of May. So super excited. The views from East End of Rundle are amazing according to Instagram, and we're gonna get some shots ourselves today. At 7 a.m. the car park is not busy at all, just a few cars, but then again it's for both trails, Kawla and East End of Rundle. I don't even know where the trail begins there, but we'll have to find out. Okay, into the woods we go. We already got lost. There was a trail that went right and a trail that went left. We picked the right one and that was wrong. So now we're going left, pretty sure that's the way, through the woods. Okay, we took off from the car park around 7:30 and I'll time how long it will take us to go all the way up. It's pretty challenging already, but it's such a nice day. Can't wait to see the views. So that over there is Kawla Peak, and that's the hike I did with my friend last year. I will add this to the link in the description if you want to know what that was like. It was also pretty challenging, but so fun. And we're going somewhere up there behind those trees. Oh, taking a little break here, taking in the views. So far it's been pretty challenging trying to climb all the way up on this kind of trail. It doesn't seem kid friendly at all, I must say. I'm glad we didn't bring the girls with us.
Oh yeah.
Like, it wasn't even an option, but still. But yeah, the views are nice. We made it to the first clearing. Look at that view. Still a long way to go up, but wow. So we were on our own for the longest time, and now there's a whole bunch of people and we got lost. We went like all the way there and there's no way there, and now there's a lot of people that actually know the way. Lucky. So we're gonna follow them. Okay, we're down 1 hour and we're just having a break because yeah, it's difficult, but this kind of trail conditions are fine. It's those that you have to use your hands on that I don't like, and it's getting a bit busier, which I like because more people, less bear danger. We are in bear country after all, so yeah, it's kind of worrying. But we both have bear spray and we've been talking pretty loud on purpose just to kind of shoo the bears away if there are any. But I don't know if there are bears that high in the mountains, because I feel like we're at a decent height right now. We've been hiking for 1.5 hours and that's the view. Gorgeous, eh?
Your
so beautiful. It's May 30th. There's still this much snow. It's crazy. The weather's been so good the last few weeks, and yeah, there's still snow up in the mountains. And this is the view from the other side. It's pretty sweet. And that's Kawla, and Canmore is somewhere down there. Oh, we have a long way to go still. Can see people somewhere there going up, so that's where we're going. our first official stop after almost 2 hours of climbing. Oh my god! Well-deserved view. Let's get more. So the last town from Calgary before Banff, should I say. It's beautiful. That's Hanin. White Man's Pond there. Iconic. So we took our time in that beautiful spot. It was gorgeous, but I'm gonna continue going. It's a very challenging hike. Very challenging, especially after winter of not hiking for a long time. Whew! And there's no like defined trail. Everybody just kind of joins from different places. But yeah, so far the views, oh my goodness, definitely worth it. All right, 2 hours 20. We're having a break with this view. And this view is pretty sweet. There's a lot of little scree like that, little pebbles and rocks there that just slide down as you walk on them, uphill or downhill. We'll see what it's going to be like downhill. Look at those views. I mean, yeah, beautiful. So with us, we've got our water, our snacks, which we haven't had yet. We're hoping to kind of sit down somewhere on top of the mountain to have a snack, but yeah. I think we're gonna slow down and stop at some point. A lot of people and reviews on all trails say that all the way to the top is very challenging with all this little scree. We'll see how we go. So far it's been challenging, but if up higher it's even more challenging. We might just stop somewhere with a nice view and then head back down, but so far it's been so nice. Yeah, trust the reviews on all trails. It is hard. It's pretty hard to imagine that last September I went like all the way up and to this top right here. It was so cool, but now I'm looking at it, it's kind of crazy. So crazy. But we'll try to go up there somewhere. So the actual summit is over there. There is a full summit like where we are right now, and I think that's where we're gonna stay. It took us 3.5 hours to come here. I don't know how long it will take us to go down, but 3.5 hours with plenty of stops for pictures and filming and all that stuff. But the view is definitely worth it. Cool. So it was very challenging, but I'm looking forward to going back home and just like rating it as easy to moderate on all trails. No, there was a lot of hand climbing involved, but yeah, overall, if you see the view, you're like, yeah, it was definitely worth it. And it's pretty incredible. So we're gonna be going down now, saying goodbye to these views. It's pretty sweet. I wonder how long it will take us to go down. And then we check the time and turns out it's lunchtime, so we're gonna have some food and make sure that we take back with us everything we bring, so no littering anywhere. And we're gonna have a lunch with the view. So nice. We are on our way down and stumbled upon this view. Honestly, so beautiful. It was all worth it. I know I've been complaining a lot how difficult it was, because it was, but it's all worth it. Seeing these views, it's incredible. You can see the teeny tiny Canmore over there, the Grassy Lakes hike over there, and this beauty, gorgeous. And down there, that's Spray Lakes. So stunning. Oh my god, we're so lucky with the weather as well today. It's super sunny and warm, but it's also windy, so you don't get too hot. Beautiful. Almost down. Overall, with all the breaks, the photos and lunch and everything, it took us 7 hours. It was very long. I don't know how people do it in like 4 or 5 hours, but we took a lot of breaks and really enjoyed it. So that was the lake that we saw from the top, this one, and this is the Halin Peak, and look how busy it is now. And we're down, just going back to the car park. It's so busy right now, but we made it. Another big difficult hike to tick for me. We didn't go all the way to the summit. We went to what they call Fig Summit because the views were nicer there and we really enjoyed them. So yeah, this is the little pond that we saw from up the top. Look at the colors, so pretty. It's called White Man's Pond and I just like it. I think it's man-made, but it's gorgeous, and that's Halin over there. But I know two things. I know I'm a sweaty mess, so sorry. I know two things. I need hiking poles and I need one of those water supplies with tubes that can keep more water. We ran out of this much. Where is it? Let me show you. This much by the time we were at the top, so I am so thirsty, so thirsty. So we're just gonna probably stop by McDonald's in Canmore and grab ourselves a drink and a sundae as a reward for this incredible day. But yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock now and it's going to be a time for us to go home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all again next time.